What if I told you your next coworker might be AI, and it's already here? These tools are rewriting what it means to work, and you need to see them before 2025 ends. From boosting productivity to creating art instantly, AI is taking over, and here are the top 5 tools you can't ignore. Number 5, Synthesia. Create videos from text in minutes. No camera? No problem. Perfect for content creators and marketers. Number 4, Copy.ai. Turn ideas into copywriting instantly. Ads, emails, even social media posts, all automated. Number 3, Runway ML. Generate amazing videos, images, and effects. Think Hollywood-grade AI tools at your fingertips. Number 2, ChatGPT. Not just chat. Plan projects, write code, even brainstorm creative ideas. Your ultimate AI assistant. And number 1, DALL 3. Turn words into mind-blowing images instantly. Designers, creators, and dreamers, this is your new canvas. These 5 AI tools are changing the game in 2025. Which one will you try first? Comment below.